Invisible Selling Machine by Ryan Deiss. This book, all about email marketing. It's very good. People do say all the money's in the list, right? You got to start an email list. But if you have an Amazon affiliate niche site, do you really need an email list? That's what we're going to talk about today. So Ryan Deiss is the founder, or at least one of the founders for Digital Marketer. It's a great website. I'll put a link below. Again, this book is very good. It talks about email marketing and just the benefits. It actually goes through some nice how-to stuff. Now, the thing is, a business partner and I, we read this book. We were very into Digital Marketer and the way that they were running, their sites. There are very good case studies, very compelling, very well written. We got so convinced, especially after reading this book, it's so inspiring, that we decided we wanted to try and build an email list for one of our sites, which technically it was a niche site, but we wanted it to be more. And we tried for a very long time to implement an email list, and we just had a rough time actually making money from it. Let's go into the pros and cons of having an email list for your niche site. You probably shouldn't start an email list until you're ready. It might surprise you, but most of the time we need to be patient. So I do love email marketing, and I have an email list for Niche Site Project. If you're not on that email list, by the way, you can go to nichesiteproject.com, hit the green button, put in your name and email address, and I'll send you some freebies. I have a couple niche sites which have fairly big email lists. One of them has about 4,000 people on the list, and another site has about more than 10,000. But thing is, if you don't have a clear way to make money from the list, then you probably shouldn't start one. So here are a few of the pros of having an email list. Number one, you can sell affiliate offers. So it could be an info product like from ClickBank, or you could market things directly in your email to people via share sale, other affiliate programs, and that sort of thing. You can also drive traffic. So let's say you just do Amazon affiliate marketing and you have blog posts or whatever on your site. You can send out an email and drive people to your content. So you publish something new, you can get people over there. Key thing to note, you're not allowed to place Amazon affiliate links in your emails. It violates the terms of service. You're just not allowed to do it. I could send out an email and send multiple hundreds of people to a new post. Additionally, right, so not just thinking about your site, but let's say you have a YouTube channel. You can send an email out and drive people to watch your YouTube video. Another pro is you can build positive relationship with your audience. So you're able to send emails, tell them about yourself, and they can reply back, and you can build a relationship. Why does that matter if you're just trying to sell affiliate offers? Well, if they know, like, and trust you, you can send out an email and make a recommendation for a product. They're more likely to take a look at it and value your advice and your opinion. Another cool thing you can do with an email list is you can actually just send out a survey. You can figure out new content to write. You could ask them what questions they have, what issues they're experiencing, and you could write content around what they want. You could create your own product, right? So you could send out a survey to your audience and they could say they want to learn about topic A, and you can write an ebook on topic A and then market it to them. It's a valid business model, and it's a great way to bridge the gap from an affiliate model to selling your own products. So the pros sound awesome. It sounds like you should definitely have an email list, but here are some of the cons. The number one issue is that people try to build an email list when they're just starting their site. They'll spend time signing up for an email provider. I use Ahrefs, by the way. So a lot of people focus on setting up an email list too soon. So they spend time signing up, setting up the opt-ins, developing lead magnets, and writing an email autoresponder. All this stuff is fairly straightforward. However, it does take a lot of time. People are building these sites on the side. They don't have tons of time to start investigating, email lists and stuff. So people start too soon. Let's say you even launch with a few pieces of content and you're able to get some traffic. Let's say you're getting 20 visitors per day. If you spend all this time trying to build an email list as well, and you're trying to build an email list, you're probably only going to get 1 subscriber or 2 subscribers per week, something like that. You're not going to get very many because you just don't have enough traffic. traffic. It would be better if you spent your time adding more content or getting backlinks. For example, let's say you're able to build your email list to 50 people over several weeks, a few months. You have 50 people on your list and you send out an affiliate offer. You may only get like one conversion, if that. So if your sample size, i.e. your email list, is so small, like you're probably not gonna get any conversion. All the advantages, all the good things, like if you don't have enough people on your list, it's not gonna matter anyway. So my argument is people start too early and they spend time and energy on something that doesn't really pan out until sometime in the future. Basically, if you have traffic on your site, let's say you have 300 to 500 visitors a day, you should be making some revenue. It varies widely. If you're getting 300 to 500 visitors a day, you may be making a few $100s a week or something, or a few $100s a month, or you could be making many thousands of dollars per month. It all depends on your products and the kind of content and how much content you have. If you have traffic and you are making money, that is good. You probably have the resources, number one, to invest in an email service provider, right? So if you can cover the cost with the traffic, you should be able to make some additional sales using the email list, drive a little bit of traffic and that sort of thing. If you're getting 100 visitors a day, but you really want to test out email marketing and you have time to do it, sure, give it a shot. On the other side, I didn't start worrying about building an email list on some sites until they were getting like over 1,000 visitors a day, because my main goal for that particular site was someone lands on a page, they read a product review, they go to Amazon and buy it. Like that was the goal. So if you have a clear picture of the goal for a page, you can orient it that way. Now, are there some caveats here? Yeah. Let's say you have some content and it's getting a pretty good amount of traffic, probably in the hundreds per day. If you have that content and it's not affiliate oriented, it's merely an informational article, that's probably a really good piece of content where you can create an opt-in, you can create a lead magnet, and you can start building your email list. The goal for an info piece of content could be to help build your email list, right? You're not trying to sell anything there, you're just trying to get them on the list. And from there, you can, drive them to different areas using the email list, using good copywriting to sell an affiliate offer. You could drive traffic to a particular page, or you could build, rapport with your audience. Here's the question of the day. Let me know if you have an email list on your site, in your opinion on the pros and cons of an email list on a niche site. Really interested in what you have to say, so I read all the comments, I try to reply back to all of them. Let me know what you think. I'm Doug Cunnington. Take a look around. If you like the videos, please subscribe.